Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I will tell you what is a coronavirus and what is COVID-19 and what are the symptoms for COVID-19 and more. Please stay tuned with me. The question is, what is a coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. Uh, In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infection ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus diseases, COVID-19. I think this information may be very useful to all of you. Stay tuned with me till the end of the video. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious diseases caused by the most recently discovered. These new viruses and the diseases were unknown before outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now pandemic affecting many countries globally. What is the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, dry cough, tiredness. Other symptoms are pains, headache, sore throat, loss of taste and smell, or rashes on skin, or decoloration of fingers. These symptoms are usually mild. These symptoms are very mild. Some people become infected. 80% of people recover from the diseases without needing hospital treatment. Around one out of every five people who get COVID-19 become seriously ill and develop difficulty in breathing. Please stay tuned with me till end of the video. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart and lung problems, diabetic, cancers are higher risk of the developing serious illness. Stay tuned with me till end of the video. You can get very useful informations. However, anyone can catch COVID-19 and become seriously ill. People of all ages. If possible, it is recommended to call the healthcare providers or facility first so the patient can be directed to the right clinic. What should I do if I have COVID-19 symptoms, and when should I seek the medical care? If you have minor symptoms such as slight cough or fevers, no need to go medical care, stay at home. However, if you live in an area with malaria or dengue fever, it is important to that you do not ignore the symptoms of fevers. Please seek medical help first. Follow the national guidance on self isolation. Follow the national guidance on self isolation. You should follow the national guidance on self isolation. When you attend the health facility, wear a mask if possible. Keep at least 1 meter distance from other people and do not touch the surface with your hand. This will help for your safety. Seek immediate medical care if you have difficulty in breathing or pain or pressure in the chest. If you are getting these symptoms, please visit the nearest hospital. If possible, call your healthcare providers in advance so he or she can direct you to the right health facility. I hope this information will be very useful. How does COVID 19 spread? People can catch the COVID 19 from others who have the virus. The disease spread primarily from the person to person through the small droplet from the nose or mouth, which expelled. These droplets are relatively heavy, do not travel far, and quickly sink to the ground. People can catch COVID 19 if they breathe in these droplets from the person infected with the virus. That is why it is important to stay at at least 1 meter away from the others. These droplets can land on the object surface around the person, such as tables, doorknobs, etc. People can become infected by touching these objects or surface, then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. This is why it is important to wash your hands regularly with soap or water or clean with alcohol based hand rub. Who is World Health Organization is accessing ongoing research on the way that COVID-19 is spreads and will continue share the updated findings. Can COVID-19 be caught from a person who has no symptoms? COVID-19 is mainly spread through the respiratory droplets expelled by someone who is coughing or has the other symptoms such as fever or tiredness. Many people with COVID 19 experience only mild symptoms. This is particularly true in the early stage of the diseases. It is possible to catch the COVID 19 from the someone who has just a mild cough or does not feel ill. Some reports have indicated that people who have no symptoms can transmit the virus. It is not yet known how it's happened. World Health Organization is accessing ongoing research on this topic and will continue to share the updated findings. How can we protect others and ourselves if we do not know who is infected? Practicing hands and respiratory hygiene is important at all times and is the best way to protect others yourself. When possible, maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and others. This is especially important if you are standing by someone who is coughing or sneezing, since some infected person may not yet exhibiting the symptoms or the symptoms may mild. Maintaining a physical distance and everyone is good idea. If you are in a what should I do if I come in close contact with someone who has the COVID 19? If you have been close contact with someone with the COVID 19, you may be infected. Close contact means that you live with or have been sitting of less than 1 meter from others who have the diseases. In this case, it is best to stay at home and stay safe. However, if you live in an area with malaria or dengue fever, it is important that you did not ignore symptoms of fever. Seek medical help quickly and as soon as possible. When you attend the health facilities, wear a mask if possible. Keep at least 1 meter distance from the other people and do not touch the surface with your hands. If you do not live in an area with malaria or dengue fever, please do the following. If you become ill, even with very mild symptoms, you must self isolate. Even if you don't think you have been exposed to COVID 19 by develop, you are more likely to infect others in the early stage of the diseases when you just have mild symptoms. Therefore, self isolation is very important. If you do not have symptoms but you have been exposed to an infected person, self quarantine for 14 days. If you have definitely had COVID 19 confirmed by a test, self isolate for 14 days even after symptoms have disappeared as a precautionary measures. It is not yet known exactly how long the people remain infected after they have recovered. What does it mean self isolate? Self isolation is an important measure taken by those who have COVID 19 symptoms to avoid infecting others in the community or including family members. Self isolation is when the person who has experiencing fever, cough, other COVID-19 symptoms stay at home and does not go to the work, school, or public place. This can be voluntarily or based on her healthcare provider's recommendations. However, if you live in an area with the malaria, dengue fever, it is important that you do not ignore the symptoms of fevers and seek medical help quickly. When you attend the healthcare facilities, wear a mask if possible, keep at least 1 meter distance from the other people, and do not touch the surface with your hand. If it is a child who is sick, help the child stick to this advice. If you do not live in an area with malaria or dengue fever, please do the following: keep at least 1 meter distance from the others, even from your family members. Monitor your symptoms daily. Isolate for 14 days, even if you feel healthy. If you develop difficulty breathing, contact your healthcare providers immediately. Call them first if possible. Stay positive and energized by keeping in touch with your loved ones by phone or online, by exercising yourself. What should I do if I have no symptoms but I think I have been exposed to COVID-19? What does it mean? Self quarantine. Self quarantine means to separate yourself from others because you have been exposed to someone with COVID-19. Even the goal of self quarantine is to prevent the transmission. Self the goal of the self quarantine is to prevent the transmission. Since people who become ill with COVID-19 can infect people immediately, self quarantine can prevent some infectious infections from happening. These videos only for education purpose. If you have developed difficulty in breathing, contact your healthcare providers immediately. Call them first if possible. Stay positive, energized by keeping in touch with the loved ones by phone or online, by exercising yourself at home. However, if you live in an area with malaria, dengue fevers, it is important that you do not ignore the symptoms of fever, seek medical help immediately. Wear the mask if possible. Keep at least 1 meter distance from others. What is the difference between the self isolation, self quarantine, and distancing? Quarantine means restricting activities or separating the people who are not ill themselves but they may have been exposed to COVID 19. The goal is to prevent the spread of the diseases at the time when the people just. Isolation means separating the people who are ill with symptoms of COVID 19 and may be infected to prevent the spread of the diseases. Physical distancing means being physically apart, who is recommended keeping at least 1 meter distance from others. This is the general measure that everyone should take even if they are well with no exposure to COVID 19. Can children or adults catch the COVID 19? Evidence today suggests that children and young adults are less likely to get the severe disease, but the severe cases can still happen in these age groups. Children and adults should follow the same guidance on quarantine and self isolation if there is a risk they have been exposed or showing the symptoms. It is particularly important that children avoid the contact and older people and others who are at risk. What can I do to protect myself and prevent the spread of diseases? Stay aware of the latest information on the COVID 19 outbreak available on the World Health Organization website and through the national or local public health authorities. You can reduce your chance of being infected or spreading COVID 19 by taking some precautions. Regularly and thoroughly can clean your hands with the alcohol based hand rubs. Wash them with the soap or waters. Why? Washing your hands using alcohols. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Why? When someone coughs, sneeze, or speak, they can spray some liquid drops from their nose, mouth contain virus. If you close to contact, be avoid to crowded place. Why? Where people come together in crowded place, you are more likely to come into the close contact with someone that has COVID-19, and it is more difficult to maintain the physical distance of 1 meter. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Why? And touch many surface can pick up the virus. Once contaminated hands transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, mouth. From there, the virus can enter into the body and infect you. Make sure and the people around you follow the respiratory hygiene. These means covering your mouth and nose with your pen, elbow, or tissue when you cough or sneeze. These dispose the used tissue immediately and wash your hands quickly and thoroughly. Why droplets spread virus? By following the good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from the virus such as cold, flu, and COVID 19. Stay home and self isolate even with minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until you recover. Have someone bring you supplies. If you need to leave your house, wear mask, avoid infecting others. Why? Avoiding contact with the others will protect. If you have fevers, cough, or difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention, but call the telephone in advance if possible and follow the directions to local authority. Why? National local authorities have the most up-to-date information on the situation in your area. Calling in advance will allow you healthcare providers to quickly direct you to the right place facility. This will also protect you and help prevent the spread of the virus and other infections. Keep up to date on the latest information from the trusted source such as World Health Organization or your local national authorities. Why? Local and national authorities are the best place to advise what the people are in your area and should be doing to protect themselves. Is there any vaccine or drug or treatment for COVID 19? There is no medicines that have been shown to prevent or cure the diseases. Watch the videos until the end. World Health Organization does not recommend self medication with any medicines, including antibiotics, as a prevention or cure for COVID 19. However, there are several ongoing clinical trials of both Western and traditional medicines. There are several ongoing process. World Health Organization is coordinating effort to develop vaccine and medicines to prevent and treat the COVID-19 and will continue to provide the updated information as soon research results available. The most effective way to protect yourself and others against COVID-19 are clean your hands frequently and thoroughly, avoid touching your eyes, mouths, and nose. Cover your cough with the bend of elbow or tissue. If a tissue is used, discard it immediately and wash your hands. Maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from others. Does World Health Organization recommend wearing medical mask to prevent the spread of the diseases? Currently, there is not enough evidence or against the use of mask, medical, and others in the health individual in the wider community. However, who is accurately studying medical masks are recommended primarily in healthcare settings but can be considered in other circumstances. Medical masks should be combined with other key infection prevention and control measures, hand hygiene, and physical distancing. Medical masks and receptors such as N95, FFP2 equivalent are recommended for and should be reserved for healthcare workers while giving care to the patients. Close contact with the people with the suspected confirmed case. People who are sick and exhibiting the symptoms of COVID-19. Why? Anyone who is sick and mild symptoms such as muscle ache and slight cough, sore throat should isolate at home and use medical mask according to whose recommendations. Coughing, sneezing, and talking can generate droplets that can spread the infection. These droplets can reach the face of others nearby and land the surrounding environment. If an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talk while wearing the medical mask, this can help to protect those nearby from the infections. If a sick person need to go the health facility, they should wear the medical mask. Anyone taking care of a person at home who is sick with COVID-19, those caring individuals who are sick with COVID-19 should wear the medical mask for the protections against frequent and prolonged contact with someone with COVID-19. This approach take into the consideration the purpose of the mask, of exposure and vulnerability of the wearer, setting the visibility to use and the types of masks to be considered. How to properly wear the medical mask? If you choose to wear a medical mask before touching your eyes, clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rubs or soap and waters. Take the mask and inspect it. Ensure the proper side of the mask faced outside, colored. Place the mask to your face. Pinch the metal strip edge of the mask so it mold the shape of your nose. After use, take off the mask with clean hands. Remove the elastic loops from the behind of the heads while keeping the mask away from your face cloths to avoid touching potentially contaminated surface of the mask. Discard the mask in a closed bin immediately after use. Do not reuse the mask. Perform hand hygiene after touching or discarding the mask. Use alcohol based hand rubs or visibly. Be aware that there is a global shortage of the medical mask, both surgical mask and anti-fly mask. These should be reserved as much as possible for healthcare workers. Remember that masks are not substitute for others. More effective way to protect yourself and others against COVID-19. Frequently washing your hands, covering your the bend of elbow tissue, maintain the distance at least 1 meter distance. Get the more information from the World Health Organization. Follow the advice of your national health authority on the use of the mask. Follow the How long does it take after exposure of COVID-19 to develop symptoms? The time between exposure of COVID-19 and the moment when the symptoms start commonly around from 5 to 6 days but can range from 1 to 14 days. What is the connection between COVID-19 and animals? COVID-19 is spread through the human to human transmission. We already know a lot about the virus in the coronavirus family, and most these types of virus have an origin in animals. The COVID-19 virus called SARS-CoV-2 is a new virus in human. These possible animals COVID-19 has not yet been confirmed, but research is going on. World Health Organization continue to monitor the latest research. Can I catch COVID-19 from my pet? Several dogs and cats in contact with the infected humans have tested positives. In addition, ferrets appear to be susceptible in the infections. COVID-19 is mainly spread through the droplet produced when an infected person cough, sneeze, or speak. It is still recommended that people who sick with COVID-19 and people who are had risk limit contact with companion others animals. When handling and caring for animals, basic hygiene measures should always be implemented. These include hand washing after handling animals, their food and supplies, as well as avoiding kissing, licking, or sharing the foods. For more recommendations are available on the website mentioned in the slide. World Health continue to monitor the latest research on this and the other COVID-19 topic will update as new findings are available. How long does the virus survive on the surface? The most important thing to know about coronavirus on the surface is that they can easily be cleaned with a common household disinfectant that will kill the virus. Studies have shown that COVID-19 virus can survive for up to 72 hours on the plastic or stainless steel, less than 4 hours on copper, and less than 24 hours on cardboard. Always clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rubs and wash them with soap or water, avoiding touching your eyes, mouth, nose. How to grocery shop safely? When grocery shopping, keep at least 1 meter distance from others and avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose if possible. Sanitize the handles. Once home, wash your hands thoroughly and also after handling and storing your purchased products. There is currently no confirmed case COVID-19 transmitted through the food or food packing. How to wash fruits and vegetables? Fruits and vegetables are an important component of the healthy diets. Wash them in the same way you should do under any circumstance. Before handling them, wash your hands with soap or water, then wash fruits and vegetables. Are antibiotics the effective way to preventing the or treating the COVID-19? No, antibiotic does not work against virus. They only work on bacterial infection. COVID-19 is caused by the virus, and so antibiotics do not work. Antibiotics should not be used. In hospital, physicians will sometimes use antibiotic to prevent the or treat secondary bacterial infections, which can be implement a complication of COVID-19 in severely ill patients. They should be only used directed by physician or to treat the bacterial. Can I catch COVID-19 from the faces of someone with the diseases? Within, while initial investigations suggest the virus may be present in the faces in some cases, to date there have not been cases. Stay home and stay safe. Follow the advice provided by World Health Organization. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe. If you want to get more details about the virus, coronavirus, go to the World Health Organization website. Thank you so much, friends. These information obtained from the World Health Organizations. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my video. All the informations which I provided in this video obtained from the World Health Organization, WHO. If you want to get more info about the coronavirus, please visit the World Health Organization official website. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay home and stay safe. Wash your hands soap, thoroughly with the soap, at least 20 seconds, and keep 1 meter distance between two persons. Thank you so much, friends.